Music is my life. It's everything to me. It's a gift, it's a blessing, it's a healer. To me, it's the universal language. It's the way I communicate with people. It's the way I express myself. I would just love to inspire people, either whether it's to inspire them to chase their dream, to inspire them to do better, to inspire them to become better musicians, or just to heal. So it doesn't matter what you are, it doesn't matter where you come from. That's what I want. I want my music to resonate generations and generations from now. People can turn on my music and feel something, and that makes them feel good, or that makes them feel whatever. I want them to feel it, essentially. If you really put your mind to it, and you really put your heart in it, and you give your faith and your worries to the Lord, you can accomplish anything. You really can. If you try hard and you just don't give up, and you just fight, and you don't make excuses, and you don't make any excuses for any of your circumstances, you will absolutely win. Consistency gets results. That's what I would say. Woo, it is hot down here.